Thanks for watching this video. Today we're going to talk about a bypass lopper and how to clean and lubricate and sharpen. First off is we're going to clean the blade. So I can get at it properly, I'm using hot water and a nylon scourer. This blade has PTFE coating on it, or Teflon, and what we want to do first off is we want to wet it to let it soak into any sap, dirt, whatever. Normally I'd leave it for 2 or 3, 5 minutes, but today, starting from the blunt side, working towards the blade, just in small circles, just cleaning it and getting rid of the rubbish off of it. Turn it over and do the back side of it exactly the same way. Always being careful of the actual cutting blade. Once that's finished, just with a cloth, working from the top of the blade towards the cutting edge, wipe it dry. The next part is lubricating this. In this particular lopper, the best way to do it is in the open position. And in the open position, I'm simply going to spray where the blade meets the actual arm, and this one, because it has a gear function here as well, for this pivot point, this point here. So I'm applying some lubricant there, and then, as with the other lopper, work it backwards and forwards. Again, what we're doing is we are lubricating it, but we're also cleaning it. The lubricant is going to take away, wash through any rubbish that's been caught in behind the pivot points. Once I've finished, I just want to take off the excess. Get it clean. Then to sharpen this, we have a bypass sharpener that's set at 23 degrees, which suits a bypass lopper, and it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Again, if your lopper is blunt, we recommend 7 to 10 light strokes to get the edge back. But as far as just touching it up to get it as sharp as you can, 2 to 3 light strokes every 2 or 3, 4 months, you're going to get the edge, and it's going to make it so much easier to cut. Thanks for watching this video.